DStv installation at Squatter Camp.
If you get inspired by me, thank you. My name is Alphonse Fokou. So some people who stay in the mansion, in the suburb, in the quarter camp, we are all the same guys. I learned a lot on that places. I didn't want to film completely the place because for me, it's not respectful. My passage on that place show me somewhere that in the society the finger are not the same. But guys, if you live in that kind of place, just have a vision on your life. Have a vision, implement some strategy, and you'll see yourself through.
I'm your technician from Squatter Camp, Johannesburg, South Africa. Like and share the video.
Hello guys, I'm taking you to a quarter camp and we'll be doing the installation in quarter camp. And it's not an ordinary house, but it's just you just need to apply your sense of knowledge. Just apply your knowledge and then you'll be done. So be with me till the end of the video. The first time I came to do the installation in quarter camp, I didn't know that I would succeed, just because there was no wall. There was only some certain zinc which whereby I had to put my pole there. Like the one I'm seeing now, that one I'm going to be doing today is also with the pole. So I need to do that one. Yeah, I should. I think it's blocked there now, eh?
Yeah.
No, we go slow. Go slowly till we reach there where we are going. Am I gonna be turning here or what? What am I gonna do here? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I just believe that I'm going to.
No.
I think I get lost. This one? It was that road. I make a mistake. Guys, in Africa, we have to work hard. We really have to work hard because, you know, in Africa, life is not easy. We need to help each other. What I want to show you today is the DStv installation. You can see in quarter camp also we put DStv. We put DStv today. I'm in one of the quarter camp in Joburg, and I'm going to do one installation today. And you can see on top of the roof there dishes. So here is very strategic to put the dish here. You need to have a pole where you're gonna put on top the zinc. So that, look at this DStv. You have to do that before you can be able to put the dish. Okay? So your installation will not be done only on the wall. Beautiful drive in quarter camp. Today guys, you can enjoy the quarter camp view. Yeah. You get out of the quarter camp and then the few distance we are in the suburb of Joburg. There's something I want to share on this video. I did the installation in Quatakem, and we are right here in the suburb. And then I asked my question that why it happened that people will stay in the building, some people will stay in the mansion, and some people will stay in Quatakem. But just like a finger, our finger will never be the same. So some people will stay in the mansion, in the suburb, in the Quatakem. We are all the same, guys. But I get to learn something. I get to learn that you just have to work. You have to plan. You have to put action in your plan. Remember, where you are now is what you planned yesterday. So guys, do like me. Make a difference every day, even if it's 1% of difference of what you are doing, and do work on your project every day. Definitely in the end you'll see some success, and we can celebrate. This is actually December means that we're going to be celebrating. What are we celebrating in the end of the year? We're going to be celebrating our success, and that success comes only when you work hard. But guys, if you live in that kind of place, just have a vision on your life. Have a vision, implement some strategy, and you'll see yourself through. Quatakem. The house is not like this one you see here. The house is so beautiful, yeah. But those ones are not the same. Guys, be with me. Thank you for watching. I just wanted to share with you this few minutes of inspiration. If you get inspired by me, thank you. My name is Alphonse Fokou. Subscribe to the channel. This channel is a channel of entrepreneur, channel of business people, channel of technician, and channel of African diaspora in the world. Yes, if you are a traveler, if you are a technician, if you are a businessman, if you are an entrepreneur, this is your channel. Subscribe. See you next time. Bye.